I'm sharing my screen. This is my my instance. Anybody can get for a free instance. I just connecting. You just click EC2 connect and then you can connect it. Currently, what I'm doing is I'm going to build the app inside the EC2. There is a couple of ways we can do. One approach will be we push the image to the ECR. ECR is the AWS repository. That's where we can push the Docker, and then from there we can pull the image also. But today we don't want to go that route the way we set it up. I'm just going to show it, okay? In our GitHub page, you can see that, there is a README file. Underneath, you have the steps, what need to be done. I think I need to put enter here. I'll fix it. But when you look in the notepad, the commands looks like this, okay? The line, right? What I will do is I'll just do side by side so that okay. This command, what it does is it is going to install the software, update the software if we don't have anything. You're launching fresh, right? Now EC2 is up to date, right? Now one command, we are setting up the Docker. Boom, right? Docker is installed. It takes few seconds, done. Boom. Boom. Now next is I'm starting the Docker. You can do a couple of ways. One way is you want to run the background process. We do this one like a daemon process. For now, I'll just show regular way. Paste. Now Docker is started, right? Now, because we are going to restart, I don't want to do the daemon way. Next is I'm assigning the user. Done. I logged in as a EC2 user. I'm assigning into the Docker group. Okay, that's it. Now what I have to do is just exit, log out, right? I'm going to AWS again. So here it is there. Or now I'll just close this one. I'm connecting because you don't need any software or anything. Just directly connect here, you're done, right? Now we set it up everything, nothing is there. Now we updated, we installed software, we started Docker and then everything, right? Now we logged out. For just assigning the user ID. Now what I'm going to do here is you can check, is it a Docker is run? Oh. We can check, is it Docker is running or not, right? At present, nothing is running, right? But Docker is responding, right? Now what I have the, if you look here, I'm in this location. Prior to that, I already copied the software. We have Streamlit, right? I don't want to do anything. It is a time consuming. I already have a software is available, right? You navigate to the direction. Basically, I put a 165 line, right? Same thing is there in there also, right? Now the next step is if the Docker is, we can make it as a sudo. I'll just make it as a background process so that you don't have to worry about anything. right? In future, you want to restart or just do instead of start, you do restart. Actually, I have a comments also. I put it there. For now, what I'm doing is I'm preparing an image. We have two ways. One we can get from ECR. You don't need to do this step. Boom. It takes some time. Once this is done, then what we do is we are going to run that image actually on the container. The image will be available and then we just start it. That's it. I mean, that's as simple as that, because this is very what you call low memory and one CPU machine, right? It will be little slow, but otherwise if you have enough memory and CPU, how long it takes? Less than 5 minutes. That's it. Your app is running. You don't have to worry about what Python version I have, what software I had to install and everything, right? You don't have to worry about anything. I made it as a Docker file which has all the information about the software and everything. Meantime, by the time it comes, I'll go to GitHub. I'll just explain here. This is our project, right? Here under requirement.txt, whatever the softwares we needed, we put it here, right? When Docker, when I want to prepare an image, what it do is it gets the Python base image version 3.11, right? Then it copies the file, and then internally what it does is it makes you like a Linux environment, but it runs inside the solo. Then requirement.txt file we are running, and then once it is there, we are also copying all the files from app directory. App directory in the sense currently we put everything under app. All these things will copy. Because this is a Python, you don't have to compile or anything. Nothing is there. You copy it. Then you are running one-liner. What it is doing is, I'm telling that, okay, this is my command, Streamlit, run Python file, right? This is the exact location it will go. If you translate this one, technically speaking, it will go to single line. Paste. It will go everything into single line, basically. Like this, no command, nothing will be there. No dash, space. Like that it does, okay? Just for understanding purpose. And then this image is ready, and then it is, now the thing is, once image is ready, then what we have to do is we need to run on the container, Docker container. We just do, currently we ran this command. What we are doing is we are preparing an image name is I put app image. Now app container, and then we are going to run on this port, exposing port, and then internal port within the server, within the Docker, what port is running. Both are same, I put it. This is image name. That's it. That -d means it runs in the background, okay? Even we do Control-C, it doesn't have an impact. Now you want to check if the app is running or not, you just do that, right? Now, if the Docker container is running or not, you can check the status also. It has to show that this is a container name, it has been up for so and so time and all the stuff, right? You want to restart entire Docker, you can just do sysd, because we made it as a background process, right? We need to restart. You just want to restart just a container, like assuming that when I start this run, right? Next time you can't use a run, you have to use a restart. Restart, what it does is it is basically take a new latest image and then just restart it. That's it, right? Let me check the status. Yeah, we are almost there. It takes another second or so. We are done. Yeah, anybody can do. Actually, it is not rocket science. It takes hardly 30 minutes, even if you do first time. Any questions before it comes here? We are almost there actually. Next step is done. This is the, our GitHub README file. And then, only thing is I need to put the enter here. Then we should be in okay. Because up to here is one command, and then from here is one command. From here is up to here one command. Okay. Let me check. Yeah, we are done, right? Now the last step, what I'm doing is I'm running the container. Copy, paste, done. Right? Now if you look Docker ps -a, it will give the status. It is up and running on the port 8501, right? But in the EC2, it is not exposed, right? Now if you go to EC2, this is my EC2 instance. And then if I look here, my net security group, my inbound route only 22 is exposed, right? Now what I have to do is I have to edit here, inbound, right? Edit inbound rules, because whichever the port is open, right? For me, for sake of demo, I'm going to put all the ports, all the TCP and all the things, right? I'm saving the rules. Anywhere, okay. Done, right? Now what I have to do is you need to see what is my public address, right? Public IP, it is this one. Take this, copy. It might not going to work right away. It might take few minutes or few seconds. Yes, 01. Yeah, it is working, right? Because this will fail, but I think I'm missing some JPEG file and other things. But this is what it is, right? Now, if I go there, it might already crash here.
Hi Vijay, may I interrupt?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, I sorted that picture issue in the latest, Git push. So whenever you will pull that from our task 5 folder, you won't face that issue as well.
No. This is my local thing, but no. We go to the real server, it is fine. If I go to the real server, let's see, is it there? This is okay. This file is not there. Okay. Oh, I miss copying this. Okay. Okay, this is the working our real application. Then we can click some link. We'll go there, right? Now, if I go to recommendations, it loads everything. You click link, boom, right? Now, if I go to property, Boom, done. Right? Now assuming that we get a new file, right? For now, what I will do is I'll stop it here. Okay. Exit. Okay. EC2 instance, EC2 dashboard, EC2 is running. Okay. Now let me go to our real server. Okay, this is our real server. Here, if I do ps-cf rep python, it says that it is running. It is also running. It has been running for 18 hours, right? Now Streamlit is there. Now what we have to do is that image is missing. Oh, what happened? The image is here. Oh, where we had to keep, oh, because I didn't copy this image. Okay, okay. Okay, CD app. Okay. Okay. I think we can do this. Did you copy? Where did you copy? I think we can copy inside the Artifactory and then we can try it actually. I'm going to update it, okay? Because currently what's happening is in the Docker one is not copying this file actually. I need to change the Docker configuration because if you look here, currently we are not copying we only copying the requirement.txt. If I can do one more line, okay. Now the thing is, I need to rebuild the image again. I just
Vijay, should it be dot slash?
which one?
In the notepad file, I think there is a slash missing.
Yeah,
Just you have written there.
I think the root was not mentioned properly.
Where?
The second copy.
Okay, okay. I will rerun this command. Because this is a powerful machine, you see how quick is this. Now the second time building, right? It doesn't have to download everything. It is only going to do the layer system. It is going to put like whatever the differences. That's it. It's going to be super fast actually.
Vijay, while this is doing in the background,
Mhm.
so just want to discuss about, is there any way we can, you know, alternatively name the, I mean, change the DNS name of the, our public IP to hide with some name like
No, we had to
property.
we had to configure in the API gateway
Okay.
so that people doesn't know what it is. That then it is just like a one configuration, that is possible to do.
So
But we don't know we have
that
permission.
needs to be
But
done from the, yeah, that's what I'm thinking that. So
yeah,
that needs
we
to be
have
done from the AWS side, right?
exactly. If we go into the AWS here, it costs little money. Where is the? It is not like that expensive, but the thing is every time it connects, right? It costs money. Every request costs money. Because it has to
I
go
see.
through this one. Right now, this is a HTTP request. Right now, we just need to build this. There is so many are there, but this is what they needed. Right now, we need to provide the URL. Right? I'm not going to do, but whatever the URL is there, HTTP blah blah blah. Right? We just
Right.
type that URL HTTP. And then you go next, and then you have process, and then do. That's it.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, you can do security and everything, but I don't know the money, but it costs every time it comes, they charge some money.
Some money, okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, thanks.
It is simple for us actually. Okay, I think, yeah, almost done. Now the thing is Docker new image is built, Docker container is running, right? Now you can't run this command actually. You can't run this command. You just need to restart the app container. That's it. This command you have to use. Or if you want to rerun this one, what you have to do is you have to delete the app container. Then you have to rerun it. But now I think we can just rerun it. Okay. Okay. Now we can check how long this one is running, right? Is only status is 6 seconds. That means that it is just started, right? We can go to the browser. Still not picking up. Okay, what I will do is I'll update it what it is. I'll test it out locally and then I will do it. Okay, this will fix it. Okay, any more questions?
So we have finalized the model for the regression as well, or
Yeah,
is it still in progress?
this is the regression model. The problem is one Sunita model is so big. Basically, it is and then Umesh, the problem is it is giving me error. I can't put both of them. Their code is there, but the only problem is the pages I basically deleted, but otherwise the code is in place actually. Currently, CD app, their code, everything is in place under Artifactory. whatever is there in Git, I have everything is available here. The only thing is Umesh is not there, he's traveling or something. I think for Sunita it is so big, I don't know how to push or anything. Those are the things are there. But otherwise, we have pretty much, currently Sarang one is the only thing is there. We can add others also, but as of now, that is the status. I'll fix this home image. I'll test it out locally, then we will get it. Because if it works locally, then it is simple change. It is not a big problem. We'll make it.
I have fixed it, Vijay. I fixed it and it's working in AWS as well.
What did you do? Oh,
Okay, so for that I changed the path and I actually put the image file under app directory.
oh, that's great. Okay, let me go to GitHub. Oh, but it can't.
Maybe I think I pushed it, but I might be wrong.
Okay, I'll check it. No worry, no worry. Yeah, sure. I will test it out and then my locally on the Docker and then if
The
it
path
works.
should be app slash the picture name, and you have to put the picture under the app directory. That's it.
Yeah, you're right. Let me copy. PWD copy. Is it right or we have to put a app forward slash app? I'll double check. Okay, I think that sounds good. Any questions before we stop? Because Zoom will expire soon.
So I built a model, Vijay. So
Mhm.
I'm facing some issues. So it's saying like the model, I saved the model in the folder you're using, artifact folder, right? So I saved it there. But when I'm you running the Streamlit, it is saying the file is not found. Should I push it to GitHub first and then run it?
No, locally run it. Make sure that everything is working, right? Otherwise, we can't do anything, right?
Yeah, it is showing that the model file is not there. So I saved save the model. So when I'm trying to access in Streamlit, it is saying that in that location it's not there or something. Yeah.
Still is. Okay, I'll check later this one. I don't know what is happening. Still, it is picking up property JPEG. Actually, it should be there. Okay, I'll fix this one and then I'll upload it. Okay, I stop sharing here.